Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Good morning, dear students, and welcome to our science class.
Good afternoon.
Today is Thursday, and the date is 23rd of December 2021. Habibi, I want you to open to page 279. Today we learn about scientists. Very good, ya Khalid. Today we are going to learn about scientists, people in science. People
I
who
open
study
it.
science, they study different things. Not only one about animal or about plants.
People.
They can study about the air, the water, the soil. So today,
And the study about when the plant is fell down and why it's fell down because it's not have water or not have
Excellent.
sun. He died.
Right. Very nice, ya Khalid. Okay, the first
Or
scientist
he died,
today-
miss.
Yes, the first scientist today is Noah Idekong. Noah Idekong is a scientist who study about islands, fish islands, the fish that lives in island water, not other fishes. Why? Because Noah grew up in a small fishing village called Paulo. Okay, Paulo was a fishing island, so their people depend on fish for food. They need to fish for food, they eat sea animals. Okay. His children taught to take care, a special care of the ocean. Why? Because it's the source of food for them. If they do not take care of this ocean, they will not have a very good food, okay? So they take care of it. After time, Noah Idekong found that when boats go fish, they damage what? The corals. Do you know that the corals are very important for fishes? Because this is the habitat for some fishes. They live there, they eat there, they hide from predators over there. So he decided to put some rules to make sure that his his island water and fishes are good, are in safe places. Because when corals were dying on the coast, many fish leave and the fish populations get smaller. He was afraid that there are sometimes they will not found any fish to eat. So he put new rules for fishing. He said, if you want to fish, you need to go on your feet, not with the boat. Do not scare this world for me. Do you get it? Now, Noah Idekong, he was studying about what? Habibi. Noah was studying about what?
Soil.
No. He was studying about
We are studying about environmental.
no.
Oh, the ocean.
Yes,
This
the
one.
ocean environment.
Plants.
He was studying about the ocean environment. He was studying about the fish that lives in island water. Okay. Why? Because he needs to keep them going on, and he needs to conserve using them. Why? Because his village depend on fishes to eat food. But Dr. Lena, this is Dr. Lena Kwang Ma,
Study about plants.
and not only plants, she studied
Plant and flower and soil.
Yes, she was responsible about soil. She was asking these questions. Why did this plant die? It didn't grow very.
Yeah, because it not have sun and soil.
Is it
It
good?
not have good soil.
Sometimes it's not a good soil. Sometimes there is something missing in the soil. So Dr. Ma,
Yeah.
she was studying about soil. She was making so many exams about soil. That's right.
Not have harms.
Yeah, something called arsenic. Do you know what's arsenic? Arsenic.
Arsenic is in the plant when you put it in the soil.
Okay, but arsenic, they are used as poison to keep weeds away. Let me underline for you this. There is something called arsenic used as poison to keep weeds away from crops. Because when I want to grow crops, you don't have to make weeds grow around them. So what she did, she used arsenic in the soil to move them away. But do you know what
He
happened?
put arsenic
Poison.
like when this plant he put she put arsenic behind it.
Okay, let me tell you something, ya Khalid.
Yes.
She discovered something else. She did when she was doing her research, she found that some ferns are growing in an industrial site. What is an industrial site? Industrial site is the factory
Growing in nature.
where are the factories are. Factories release toxic substances in soil, water, or air. So ferns, what do? Ferns, they absorb this polluted, okay, with arsenic, and they can grow even if there is arsenic. So she discovered that ferns remove arsenic from the soil. How? By absorbing them.
Because this one, when he put it like
Yeah.
in the soil, he keep it.
How the fern can be used to clean up. This is what she discovered finally, that ferns can clean up the pollution in soil and underground water. So what do they do near factories? They need to plant more ferns. These are the ferns. Can you see? These are the ferns. Ferns, they
Yeah. This you put it in the plant.
yes, you put it near factories, near water that includes the garbage from factories, and the ferns will clean the mess, they clean the poison or the pollution away. Some scientists, they study the soil, the properties of the soil, and one of the properties of the soil called pH. pH. Different types of plants grow best at different pH ranges, okay? So some of them, they grow at 5 pH, some of them grow better in 7, some of them grow better in 2. So, because it can affect the amount of arsenic these plants can take in. So it depends which pH in which plant can grow. Let's go to the next page and see the examples about the pH of the plants, of the soil. This is a scale of pH from 3 to 10. So 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay?
And this green and then this with red and this 10 it will be very good.
It depends. It depends, ya Khalid.
Yeah, very good.
Why? Because broccoli, for example, they grow best in soil that has a pH around 6. So which color? Is it blue, orange, or green? The broccoli.
Orange.
The orange, how much is the orange? What is the number of the orange?
2.
After 3 comes what?
4.
4. And here, over here, they said they need 6. So which one is
6.
better?
Green.
Excellent. Someone else, not Khalid, not only Khalid. I want someone else. Broccoli. So broccoli grow better.
Which page?
280. Now, yeah, Jamal, take a look at the blueberries. They grow best in soil that has pH around 4. So which color is 4? Is it the blue or orange? Take a look at the scale.
Orange.
Blue. Jamal, again, look at the scale. Where is number 4? Number 4 comes after 7 or after 3? Ya Khalid, stop it, please. Hi, Jamal. Jamal. Number 4 comes after who? After 3 or after 7? Number 4.
7
Comes after who?
I do it, miss. It's easy.
7.
It's easy, يا جماعة.
Number 4. Look at number 4 over here. Blueberries, they grow better in number 4 pH. Now, on the scale, number 4 comes after 3 or after 7?
This page, what you
After
message.
Ya Jamal. Jamal.
I want to do it.
Jamal. Can you hear me, Jamal?
After 3, the red,
Jamal.
the red is 3,
Jamal.
and the orange is yes, and the
Khalid.
orange is 4.
Khalid.
I want to do it.
Yeah, Khalid. You did already broccoli. So give the chance to your friends, ya mama. Now, Jamal. Number 4 comes after who? Look at the range over here, the scale. Number 4 comes after 3 or after 7? After 3. What is the color after 3? Is it orange or blue? What is the color that comes after 3?
Orange.
Orange. Blueberries grow best in soil that has pH around 4. Where should I write blueberries? In the blue or orange?
Orange.
Excellent. Orange. Very good. Blue berries.
It's number.
Now,
Miss, I can do
finally,
it.
the sugar beets
Finally, you finish, Jamal.
in soil that has pH around 8.
Miss, you put 2R. You put 2R.
Yes, it has 2R. Blueberries has 2R. So
Yeah.
sugar beets grows better in pH around 8. So definitely it's the blue. We will write sugar.
I can't see anything.
Beet. Why? Why, ya Habibi, you can't see anything? And it's page 280. Someone was asking.
Now I can see
Ahmed
it.
Ahmed Idris Mandili.
Now I can see it.
All right, Habibi. That's it.
I finished.
Finish.
Until you finish writing.
I finished.